This is 2 Minute Toots, where we show you a digital fashion tip in 2 minutes or less.
It's been a minute since I've done a 2 minute toots, and I wanted to do another one because if you're like me and you're always on the go, these short, quick tips are super helpful to learn something new in a short amount of time. So, today's quick tip is about a better way to manipulate your direction handles in Illustrator. And when I learned this tip, the first thing I was thinking was, why haven't I learned this before? And then my immediate next reaction was, who cares? It's awesome. And I'm glad that I know it now. So, let's talk about it.
For most of us who learn to sketch in Illustrator, we learn to draw a line, then click back on the last point, and then go to the next point. Perfectly acceptable way of drawing, and I've been doing it for years. But when you think about it, you're actually moving forward, then going backward with each new stroke of your flat sketch. So to be more efficient, instead of clicking, dragging, letting go of the mouse, and then clicking back on the last point, click and drag. Then, before you let go of your mouse button, press the Alt or Option key and redirect your handle towards the direction of the next line you plan to draw. Let go of the keyboard, and then draw your next line. What you're doing is using the anchor point tool on the fly. Instead of adding another step, the click back, you're seamlessly integrating that step into your drawing, and it allows you to just draw instead of always going backward each time you move forward.
Game changer, right? Such a simple adjustment to your sketching technique, but it will make a huge difference in the time and ease of you creating your flat sketches in Illustrator. Trust me. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and share with another designer. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.